One thing about tempered glass is if you hit it in the middle of it, it's not gonna do anything. You know, we probably could have taken this to the dump, but that would have been boring and we wouldn't have this cool YouTube video showing smashing this thing. So anyways, wish us luck here. So I'm gonna hit it on the edge and see what happens. Okay, so we finished up this really nice bathroom. When I came back to just do some finishing touches, and I think I came back just to help him program the heated floor in here, I noticed some scratches as I was just wiping down the glass. And these are some pretty small scratches, but still, this is like, you know, brand new, beautiful bathroom. The customer didn't notice the scratches, but I did, and I was like, man, I just can't leave it like this. So we put in this whole glass panel, and now we need to take it out and replace it. The company sent me a new one because it was actually scratched in their shop. We just missed it. We put it up, and then upon closer look, you could really see it. So anyways, we're gonna be taking this out, but we got a beautiful bathroom here. Curbless entry, shower. We use these big pebbles. These are like a bigger, they call them XL pebbles. They're pretty cool. They're just a bigger pebble than you usually see, really unique. We got a quartz bench, porcelain tile that we trimmed out with some nice matching Schluter trim. And again, curbless entry where you could just walk right in, linear drain. What's nice about this one is the linear drain is like the perfect size to fit in here. We got a 2-function shower with a thermostatic valve, a diverter that switches between the hand shower and the shower head. Nice niche right under the shower head. I think this is a cool effect to have the niche right under the shower head. A little bit different. Usually put them on the side walls, but there's a window here, so we couldn't do it. So this again is just a great big shower. This used to have a tub right here and a small shower. And again, in this community, this is a retirement community, it makes a lot more sense to have a very easily accessible shower than a big tub that nobody ever uses and it's hard to get in and out of. So this one you can age in place. You know, you could have a walker, some other assistive device to get in. You have a seating area to get ready, take your slippers off, and then yeah, come right into the shower. You could even fit a wheelchair through here if you needed to. Little footrest in the corner, but yeah, this bathroom is just dialed. Beautiful quartz countertops. We did new quartz countertops, new faucets, and new tile backsplash that really kind of makes everything pop. But again, these scratches in here, and they're really small. Again, the homeowners didn't see them, but when I came back, I was like, you know, this is like a new car, right? You'll notice any tiny little thing, and I did, so I said, hey, we gotta fix it. So hopefully it's not too much trouble. This is a big panel, it's heavy, and it's already siliconed in, so we'll see how it goes. Kind of foggy morning here in the Sacramento area, and yeah, we're getting the new glass panel off. What we're gonna do is get it in and inspect it before we actually take the old one out. Make sure this one doesn't have any scratches on it. But yeah, it's beautiful fall morning here. Got a little bit of fog. Had some good rains recently. The birds are chirping. Ronnie and Zach are working hard. So we're gonna get this in here and make sure it's not scratched. Perfect. Oh yeah. First we're gonna break the silicone joint here, and then I think we're just gonna try to wiggle it, break that silicone, and I don't know, just be careful. Try not to break it. Oh yeah, we got it out. Okay, perfect.
You want to pick it up?
Just yeah, see if we can break the bottom. See, yeah, we got it. Perfect.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, we don't want to chip the tile, so let's get some let's get our suction cups on here so we can get it out. Okay, so a couple options we have when working with glass. I guess it's the same, you know, with a big tile. We have these suction cups. These are, I don't even know what brand these are. WPC Woods Power Grip. These are the best pump suction cups that I've used. They actually go on really easy. It only takes a few pumps, and that's locked. So that's locked, that's ready to go. It's got a release right here, and then they come off. Yeah, the little release button. So yeah, I really like these. Here's another thing that, actually this was just sent out to me a couple weeks ago. This is called the Grabo, so thank you for sending me a free tool. I think that's pretty neat. This is a battery operated one, so you just turn it on, and then okay, it was, so I had it stuck on. The green button turns it on and off. We'll see how it works. I'm just gonna put it on and hit the green button. And that's got full suction now. What's nice is it has a gauge on it. I think it's the pounds that it can lift. It says 400. So this can hold 400 pounds. And it's pretty neat, I guess. And then to take it off, you just hit the red button. So it's off. You know, you saw how quick the pump was. I guess this takes a little bit longer. And the only other drawback I could think of is another thing that you need to charge. You know, I could see getting to the job site and be like, oh shoot, you got the charger. But you know, if DeWalt had a 20 volt, ooh, that would be sweet. But this is just like another charger that you need to worry about. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty sweet. Just hit the button. And it's good. Now it's suction. The digital readout is nice, because that's one thing about these. You got to make sure that you have a good suction, because but what they do with this is they use an indicator line. So if you ever see the red line, that means it's broken its seal and you don't want to lift up on it. But as long as that red line is gone, you know it's good. But yeah, that indicator is pretty cool. So yeah, we'll use these two tools to get this panel up and out of here.
All the doors are pretty high. We just gotta watch that chandelier.
Yeah, so we got it outside. You can see one of the nice things about the fall here is we get, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning and the fog's already burning off all day. I mean, that's one of the nice things about Northern California here. Our springs and our falls are just gorgeous. We got the trees changing colors, crisp, cool mornings. I love when you can wear jeans and a t-shirt. It just feels right. So yeah, we got the panel out. We're gonna have to rotate it over so that we can get it back up on the A-frame and get this baby out of here. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with the old panel. I wish I could give it to somebody. I mean, it has a few scratches on it, but it seems like there could be a good use for it. But I think what I'm gonna do is take it back to the shop and then try to break it in the dumpster. And again, this is tempered glass, so it's not gonna shatter into shards. It shatters into like little chunks. I don't know. We'll figure that out when we get there.
Where's that corner?
So easy.
Is that lining up? Yeah. All right, we're good. We're in.
We're in there.
We're tighter than before.
Oh yeah, that's a good adjustment. You good?
Yeah.
So mission accomplished. We have, well, mission almost accomplished. We still got to figure out a way to dispose of the other one. But we got the panel in, clips in. We're just going to silicone it up and we'll be done here. The rest of the bathroom, again, this bathroom is awesome. It's complete. It's kind of hot in here because the floors are heated. Even the shower floor is heated, which is really cool. And the bench. Never forget to heat your shower bench if you got heated floors. Might as well, right? So we're siliconing it up. We'll head back over to the shop and see how we can get rid of this giant glass panel. Okay, so we got the glass panel back. We got it here. We're gonna try to get it into this dumpster and break it right in there so it doesn't create a big old mess. But we got this. We're gonna try to lift it in there. It'll fit diagonally in this dumpster. So hopefully that works. Hopefully that works. Okay, so we're gonna hit this hammer on the edge. Hopefully that breaks it. One thing about tempered glass is if you hit it in the middle of it, it's not gonna do anything. You know, we probably could have taken this to the dump, but that would have been boring and we wouldn't have this cool YouTube video showing smashing this thing. So anyways, wish us luck here. So I'm gonna hit it on the edge and see what happens. Woo! Hey, it worked out pretty good. We got a little bit on the ground over here, but you know, it worked out pretty good. Just a little bit of sweeping up. No cuts, no bleeding, nothing in my eyes. I had my safety glasses on, so all in all, fun day. We got to get the repair done. Remember, answer the phone, take those callbacks, be a good contractor. A little scratch, but still, hey, we had to fix it. So anyways, thanks for being here with us. Leave your comment in the section below. Let me know what you think. Tell us how silly we are. And last but not least, I love you. I love being your tile coach. We'll see you on the next video.